Old man downgrade?
One of these nicknames is gonna stick, man.
Sound like you're like screaming a pickaxe. We're gonna make them laugh so hard, he punks.
No more real names in the videos. This is not live.
Nice, come on. Beauty, come on. Here's the word. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, dude. Come on. Good dynamic input. Come on, get a foot. Yeah. I got you, come on.
Come on, dude, walk it over to the rest. Come on.
Yeah. Look, more clips, more boats, more money, more problems, more honeys, more babies. You know that we got them. Puppy loving, enhancing, the Stonies romancing. Crimes against rocks, a rap sheet like Charles Manson. She sues unite for your princess a man. 6'3 plus 4 is the length of his span. Squeeze the juice out the rocks like he's making them cry. Another route down, only limits the sky. As I rise to the top of my game, I'm the flame. Climbing in this town, it won't ever be the same. When I'm done and I'm through, you know how I'm gonna do. Chode riding motherfucker sends harder than you. S.T.D crew represent. Get upset when the new routes are charts and y'all getting bent. Hoes fly, getting high on our own supply. Cause we don't give a fuck if you don't do or die. Ain't flying, ain't trying, now say it again. Bitches scream, take cake like they playing a game. But we're in it for the whips and the cash of the fame. Don't like it, stop watching and get out of the lane. To be a master of stone, homie, you gotta get. Stone brings the hone to the fingertips. Shroom trip, squeeze boulders to get ripped. Climbers ain't sober or we'd all roll over to the man. Change the plan, fuck the sign, we gon' climb what we came to climb. Ain't no ranger gonna change my mind. My soul's gonna scream and the tree's gonna fall. Ranger bitch can't find us, he can't climb the walls. A vision quest for caves, to the drill with slaves. Cutting feet on drill pockets cause we don't know how to behave. Bryophytic, parasitic, analytic, Mars scrubbing machine. It was all a dream, one day they'll know. The name's Puppy Lover and the rider of the chode. Every fool drilling, they call a villain. Say it 2 more times and you'll be witnessing a killing. Found the average, but it just ain't us. Rising up off the streets to the mountains above. We've been mall slaying fools since back in the day. Pulling flakes off the walls that make
fucking
the
Joss is classic.
Like and me bars, Marbreads at the rest. Only the good dope fuel from the PN West. Climbers on the ledge flexing hard as hell, but ain't never seeing them clip chains, I can't tell. Posting pics with chalk hands, think you fly as a bird, but your send rate's low like your flow's unheard. Falling on that crux for months just to find your way. Calling it beta when you're just too scared to sway. Send it, homie, quit messing with the chalk. You're still on the same jug, man, just take the walk.
Nice, dude, come on. Nice, dude. Yeah, get that foot on. Oh, you're so tall. Yeehaw. Nice, dude. Yeah, there's little crimps there. The Trevor way. Nice, dude. Yeah. Oh, you tall boy. Whew. There it is.
Okay, Chris.
All right. You can take.
Ew. Good job, tree.
Go for that hold.
Yee.